Good morning. No one join the session. Okay. Okay, guys. In last two recorded videos or last two online sessions, we finished our revision sheet on the quarter 3. I hope you are ready for the quarter exam. Sorry. Now, I will make rapidly revision for the most important points in our curriculum. I want from you to memorize and save the rows of our topics. Let's remember together. Firstly, V, which means speed, equal distance over time. The measuring unit of speed, meter per second, or kilometer per hour. Okay, and we have types of speed, different types. Maybe the speed is constant, doesn't change. Maybe the speed is irregular, which means the speed change, and we have different graphs represents the speed. Firstly, this graph, we have distance and time graph in y-axis and x-axis. If there is a straight line pass from the original point or the 0 point of the graph, that means the speed is constant. Another graph for example, and the same distance time graph. If there is a line inclined on the time axis, it means what? Means object at rest or doesn't move, no distance covered. So the speed equal 0. Okay, and we study average speed. This means average speed. Okay, average speed calculated by divided total distance over total time. For example, during your trip you cover at the first hour 100 kilometers and the second hour 200 kilometers. To find or calculate the average speed, you must add 100 plus 200, the hour distance, equal 300, and the time 1 plus 1, first and second hour, okay, equal 2. So it will be 300 over 2. If I remember the example I said well, equal 150, and the measuring unit kilometer per hour. Okay. Second law of acceleration. A is the first letter of acceleration. Acceleration means the object change its speed. Maybe this changes, or the changing increased or decreased. Maybe the change of the speed increased or the change decreased. But both of them means the speed change. Increase or decrease doesn't matter, but it means the speed is change. When the speed change, it means acceleration. Acceleration calculated by divided. Firstly, subtract v2 minus v1, the lowest speed, subtract from the highest speed. Then divide it over time. For example, you move with your car, okay, from rest. What's the meaning of from rest? From rest means v1, your first speed 0. You move from rest, so there is no speed. Okay, and then your speed reach to 100 meter per second, for example. Okay, during 2 minutes, for example. Now you can calculate the acceleration by subtract 100 minus 0 over 2. 100 over or minus 0 firstly over 2 equal, excellent. What happened? Okay, there is some problem. Okay, technical problem. Okay. Okay. 100 minus 0 over 2 equal 50, and the measuring unit of acceleration meter per second power 2 or kilometer per hour power 2. Okay. Okay. We can choose next slide. Okay, no problem. The next law is work. Work equal force multiply distance. Work equal force multiply distance. For example, we have a locker and you push the locker by 10 Newton, your force, and the locker moves 2 meters. So you can calculate the work by multiply 10 with 2 equal 20, and the measuring unit of work is joule. Okay. Without distance, there is no work. For example, okay, wait, for example, hurry up. Okay, guys, okay, no problem. We can take, can I choose next slide, another one? Okay, good. Okay, sorry for this. The lockers, we replaced the locker by wall, okay, and you push the wall by 10 Newton your force. The wall moves or not? Excellent, exactly, it doesn't move, so there is no distance. So distance equals 0. If you want to calculate the work, you say that force multiply distance, which means 10 multiply 0. 10 multiply 0 equal 0. So there is no work. You got it? Without distance, no work. Next one, the energies, like potential energy, kinetic energy. Okay, and we know that energy is the ability to do work or make a change. The ability to do work or make a change. Potential energy, P dot E. P dot E means potential energy. Okay? Potential energy it is it is the energy that stored in object during or due to the work done on it. Again, potential energy, the potential energy, it is the energy that stored in the object due to the work done on it. Okay, potential energy equal M. Okay, potential energy equal mgh. mgh, m multiply g multiply h. M mass, g gravity due to acceleration, the gravitational force, h the height. M mass, g gravity, h the height, and all energies measuring unit is joule. Power, work and energy measuring unit is joule. And kinetic energy equal have mass multiply v square. Okay, the summation of kinetic energy and potential energy is mechanical energy. Okay, first letter capital. When you added potential energy to kinetic energy, it represents mechanical energy. The last law in our curriculum is power. Power equal energy divided time. Power equal energy divided time, and the measuring unit of power is watt. Double T. Okay, so I want from you to memorize and save all of these laws to be ready for your quarter exam, and it will be used later during your studies. Okay, save it well and memorize it well. Okay guys, at the end of the session I hope to see you as soon as. Okay, don't be scared from the quarter exam. It will be easy, inshallah. The quarter exam comes from our revision, the revision part 1 and the revision part 2, and this revision. Good luck for everyone, and Ramadan Kareem. Goodbye.